not problems, but I still have hard time hard time figuring out research questions when even in our master's program. Sorry, I'm losing my words here. So let's move on to the next section, which is the actual kind of event for today. So you guys are going to be celebrity reporters. And your goal is to practice everything that we've learned about describing graphs and tables, and you're gonna make your own research. And you guys have a task. This is long, but I'm gonna just shorten it for you. You guys work for People magazine, so it's basically like a celebrity kind of magazine from the States. The editor-in-chief is angry because they're losing their rights, and they need a good story, like fast. So your role is to figure out a good story. And you're going to make a proposal for it and do the research, the survey, all the good stuff. And then you're going to propose it. And the good story, whoever gets the good story, their story is going to get published into the next issue of the magazine. And you're going to get a promotion the next month. So, yay! So it's your time to shine, and let's make those proposals. Now, we're going to help you to do that. So here's the first step.
Okay, the first step.
Sorry, I was not thinking. So you're going to start off with making your research question, okay? And we've assigned each group to at least use one type of graph. So whatever graph is next to your name, your group name, that's the one that you have to use, but that doesn't mean that's the only one that you have to use, okay? But you at least have to use that kind of graph, all right? So when you're making your research question has to kind of match the type of graph that you're going to have. So that makes coming up with the research question just a little bit more difficult, because you have to think about what information can be used with the graph that you've been assigned. Okay, this is to avoid everyone using the same graph, so we can all see different kinds of graphs being used. So you're gonna have 10 minutes to create your research question, and it can be over issues about celebrities or just about the celebrities themselves. So we've done many types of, you've seen many types of graphs talking about different issues related to celebrities. You can pick one of those issues. You can think of something all on your own. It's up to your group, okay? Whatever you think is going to be the most exciting thing to report on, okay? One more thing.
Just to help you, I just gave you an example of what I thought could be a good research question. It might not be good, it's just I think it is. So, is there a link between celebrity endorsement related to the desire to buy the advertised product? So, I was thinking maybe I could do research about that. So, let's start researching or creating research questions.
Good luck.
So you can see how the scale of the dominoes is right now with them for something related to the issues that we're think about based on this.
I recommend getting them to like it. If you like it, you probably on the graph text.
About cosmetics, skincare.
If you want to make it about one celebrity and their popularity, that's fine. It could be, like I said, it could be issues, or it could be about the celebrity themselves. Just remember, it has to be graphable in a VIP graph, which is the bar graph. Okay.
So think about what bar graphs are usually used to indicate. So you use a bar graph to indicate what a bar graph is.
Remember, reading homework isn't an accessory. It's there to help you for your
Bar
activity.
graphs can be used for differences.
So, either you guys could.
Yeah, you have a bunch of different variables and you can compare those different variables.
So what are you guys?
Whatever those variables may be. So it could be, like there's dead celebrities and how much money they make after they die. But you've already done that, and you don't know, you need to be able to come up with something. We're going to gather the information here in the class. So it has to be something that our students know something
Try
about.
to first think about what kind of ideas in celebrities that you guys are interested in. Don't be so focused about the graph part, but it's the issues. But if you think about the graph too much, you're not going to get the research.
Everybody, remember that this research question, you're going to be doing surveys here in class. So whatever your question is, it has to be something that you can ask other people about in the classroom, okay?
It could be locations as well. So different locations.
So you have to ask people in the class, and maybe you could pick some.
So here's an idea. Like survey questions, it could be good for you to like get the options to choose. It's always best for you to have the options, you know. The surveys it has to be pretty well set up. If you have new learning surveys, people are not going to be.
Maybe you could like just each point.
Or maybe we can say,
Maybe you can say
how Korean people.
I was just like, okay, continue.
So I didn't know that.
For the discussion.
Well, I heard
Someone wanted to smart to my parents and that there are too many diapers. We can record
We have to draw.
Use a bar. You could also have a pie chart. Using a bar graph. So work on the bar graph first.
There should be value.
And if you're using a bar graph, you can even divide the students up depending on majors, and the bar represents results from different majors if you want to compare Your head is for the computer.
For the professor, over the 15
Like over 15, yeah. Depends on whether you're using Korean age or. But when you speak English, don't use Korean age because that's not.
Then that's fine.
Wait till next year. Then I'll be 15 next year.
Yeah, like so let's assume that like what time appearance